Well, Daniel, in the next 5 years, we have an ambition to double the size of the business in that time period. So that's 15% per annum compound growth. The main challenges that we've identified in that is actually manpower. Finding staff who have the knowledge, skills and expertise to be able to deliver that growth. We've already validated that there's opportunities in the marketplace, so we know that even from our existing customer base we could achieve our ambitions. So the challenge really is finding the knowledgeable, skilled staff to be able to deliver on that. What a fantastic event. I came because robotics and AI have a part to play in the business solving its challenges moving forward to achieve our ambition of doubling the size of the business. I've not been disappointed at all. It's more than exceeded my expectations. Fantastic event, fantastic speakers. Not just from a theoretical perspective, there's been very good case studies ranging from changing our business models down to individual examples of applications of robotics and artificial intelligence. So yeah, been a fantastic event.